How to get Google Docs read to you. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we have some tags in Google Docs. So if you want to make it to read to you, then there is a simple process. First we need to just log in with our email ID. Okay, so now just click on this three dot option here, go to the extension and go to the visit Chrome Web Store. Then Web Store will be open. Now you have to search here text to speech. So the this okay, so there is a lots of extension you can see. I use this extension which is text to speech voice reader. Okay, I use this option, sorry, extension. This one. Okay, we have lots of, you can use any one from this to speech. Okay, here we have lots of extension, you can use it. I just download this one. Okay, so now just go to this puzzle icon and pin it, then it will be pin here. Now just open your documents and refresh it. Now you can use it like this. Okay, okay, for this we need to log in. So I show you my extension which I use. Okay, this one I use. You have to just go to puzzle icon. Okay, so I just, okay, you can type this title to in web store, and you have to just download it to your extension. Now just pin it to up. I just remove this one. Okay, you have to search for this extension. You have to write this term to your web store, then it will become. Okay, so this one I use, I have already installed. So now come to the Google Docs and go to the puzzle icon and pin it, then it will become up. Now here, go here, and the text will be visible like this. Now you can play like this.
Hello guys, welcome.
Okay, and here you can see, you can zoom in, zoom out the text. You can also go to the setting and you can increase, decrease the speed. You can select your accent like English, German. You can also select the language here, and here the pitch and sound can manage from here. Okay, you can also test like this. After you're done, just click into and you can play again.
Guys.
Okay, so that is how you can make the Google Docs read to you. I use this extension. Okay, I don't recommend, but if you want, you can use it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.